There are things happening inside your body every single day that you were never really taught in school, never warned about, and never asked to think about. Not because they're dangerous or rare, but because your body is incredibly good at doing its work quietly. Right now, as you're sitting here watching this, your body is repairing tiny bits of damage, replacing old material, adjusting chemical balances, and making decisions in the background, all without interrupting your thoughts, your focus, or your sense of comfort. And the interesting part is this: the better your body works, the less aware you are of it. That's not a flaw. That's one of its greatest strengths. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore several strange but completely real things your body is doing every day. Things that might sound surprising at first, but once you understand them, they actually reveal just how intelligent and well-designed the human body really is. Let's start with something that sounds counterintuitive but is absolutely true. Your brain has never felt pain. The brain is responsible for processing pain signals from the body, but the brain tissue itself does not contain pain receptors, which is why neurosurgeons can operate on the brain while a patient is awake, talking, and fully conscious without causing pain, only mild pressure or vibration. Pain is not a direct sensation of damage. It's an interpretation created by your nervous system to protect you. That's why emotional stress can sometimes feel physically painful, and why serious injuries can occasionally go unnoticed at first, because pain is influenced by context, attention, and survival priorities, not just tissue damage. Your brain's goal is not to describe reality accurately. It's to keep you functioning. Which leads to another surprising fact. You can't actually feel most of your bones. Bones themselves contain very few pain receptors, which means the sharp pain associated with broken bones usually comes from surrounding tissues like the periosteum, muscles, ligaments, and inflammation, rather than from the bone itself. This is why some people can fracture a bone and continue moving normally for a short time before realizing something is wrong, especially in high-stress situations where the brain temporarily suppresses pain to maintain mobility. Pain often appears later, once swelling begins, and the body decides it's safe to demand rest. In other words, pain is sometimes delayed on purpose, and while bones stay quiet, something far more aggressive is happening elsewhere. Your stomach is constantly breaking itself down and rebuilding itself. The hydrochloric acid inside your stomach is strong enough to dissolve many materials, including metals, which means your stomach must continuously protect itself by producing a thick mucus lining that shields its walls from acid damage. This protective layer is constantly renewed, and stomach cells are replaced rapidly to maintain this balance, creating a controlled cycle of destruction and repair that allows digestion to happen safely. When this protective system is disrupted by stress, infection, or certain medications, ulcers can form not because your stomach suddenly becomes hostile, but because its protective rhythm is interrupted. Your stomach survives by constantly renewing itself, and this theme of constant motion continues. Your organs are always moving, even when you feel completely still. Your heart contracts rhythmically without pause. Your lungs expand and contract with every breath, and your digestive organs shift and contract to move food through your system. Yet you feel almost none of this movement because your brain actively filters out internal sensations that would otherwise overwhelm your awareness. If you were conscious of every internal motion, your attention would be consumed by your body, leaving little room for thought, focus, or calm. So your nervous system edits the experience. Comfort, in many ways, is a carefully managed illusion, and this editing doesn't stop there. Your body is constantly replacing itself. Skin cells renew approximately every few weeks, blood cells are continuously replaced, and even bone tissue is remodeled over time, meaning that much of the physical material that makes up your body today is not the same material you had years ago. And yet, despite this constant turnover, your sense of identity remains stable because you are not defined by individual cells, but by patterns of memory, structure, and continuity created by your nervous system. You are not the material itself. You are the process that organizes it. This helps explain another familiar experience. Time feels like it moves faster as you get older. Time itself hasn't changed, but the way your brain records experiences has. When life is new and full of unfamiliar experiences, your brain stores rich, detailed memories, which makes time feel expansive. But as routines become familiar, your brain compresses repeated experiences, storing fewer distinct memories, which makes weeks, months, and years feel like they pass more quickly. Life doesn't shrink. Memory becomes more efficient, which means novelty doesn't just make life interesting, it literally makes it feel longer. And here's another subtle but fascinating detail. You have never seen your real face. The image you see in the mirror is reversed, meaning it's not the version of your face that others see, which explains why photographs can feel unfamiliar or slightly uncomfortable, even when nothing is objectively wrong. Your brain grows accustomed to the mirrored version of your face, so when you see the non-reversed version, it feels subtly off, even though it's how everyone else sees you every day. You're not seeing yourself incorrectly. You're seeing yourself differently. And one more thing that rarely gets talked about. Your body is constantly repairing tiny injuries you never notice. Small tears in muscles, microscopic damage to tissues, and minor cellular errors happen daily, and your immune system and repair mechanisms quietly fix them without pain, awareness, or interruption, allowing you to continue functioning without ever realizing how much maintenance is happening behind the scenes. Healing is not something your body does occasionally. It's something it does constantly. And when you step back and look at all of this together, a larger picture starts to form. Your body is not just intelligent, it's deeply considerate. It hides sensations you don't need, delays pain until it's useful, filters movement so you can feel calm, replaces itself without disrupting who you are, and repairs damage long before you become aware of it. The human body is not loud about its brilliance. It doesn't announce what it's doing. It doesn't ask for credit. It simply works, patiently, constantly, and remarkably well. And once you understand that, it becomes harder to take your body for granted. Because every moment you feel comfortable, focused, or at peace, it's not because nothing is happening. It's because millions of processes are working together perfectly to make life feel simple. And now you know why your body feels familiar, but is far more extraordinary than it seems. And there you have it. That's why the human body isn't just amazing. It's quietly taking care of you every single second. Thank you all for watching. If you have a curiosity like this, drop it in the comments and subscribe. Do you have a question about the human body or mind that you've always wondered about?